Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Star Health Insurance.
Ladies and gentlemen, things are getting extremely politically hot in Kolkata on a day when the CBI questioned the wife of Trinamool MP Abhishek Banerjee in connection with the coal scam. The Bengal police has now followed up by arresting a BJP leader over the drugs case. This political tit-for-tat, remember, happens even before the election dates are to be announced. So it's going to be uphill and onwards from here, it seems. Let's debate.
Minutes before the CBI arrived at her nephew Abhishek Banerjee's residence, Mamata Banerjee had made a surprise pit stop.
ममता बनर्जी अब जा रहे हैं अभिषेक बनर्जी के घर में, जो अब अभिषेक बनर्जी के वाइफ रुजिरा बनर्जी को सीबीआई की तरफ से आज पूछताछ करेंगे.
A stopover that lasted 15 minutes. She left minutes before the CBI team arrived.
देखिए, सीबीआई की टीम पहुंच चुकी है. सीबीआई की टीम पहुंच गई है पूछताछ करने के लिए. ये हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं. हाँ, सीबीआई की टीम पहुंच चुकी है.
The CBI team probing the coal pilferage case questioned the wife of Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee for about 90 minutes.
11 से 3 बजे का वक्त दिया गया था रुजिरा बनर्जी की तरफ से कि इसके बीच में ही वो यहाँ पर मौजूद रहेंगी. लेकिन पूछताछ उस मुकाबले देखिए 1:15 बजे के आसपास ही खत्म हो गई है. और 3 बजे तक का वक्त जरूर था, लेकिन तकरीबन 1.5 घंटे के आसपास जो पूछताछ है वो चली है. सीबीआई की टीम की तरफ से पूछताछ यहाँ पर हुई है.
The TMC remains unfazed by the investigation.
দিল্লির কোনো কোনো নেতা বাঙালিদের মেরুদণ্ড কি করে ভেঙে দিতে হয় আমরা জানি. আমি বলি আসুন না একটু চেষ্টা করে দেখুন না.
And the BJP won't stop the political assault.
आजकल जब उनके घर में सीबीआई ऑफिसर गए, ममता बनर्जी पहले पहुंच गई थी. उनको डर है कुछ छुपाना चाहती हो और बोलते हैं कि बीजेपी राजनीति कर रहा है. इंक्वायरी जब हो रही है उसमें मदद सबको करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो बहुत बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है, राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति का लूट हुआ है, उसका तह तक जाना चाहिए और पब्लिक को उसको जानने की इच्छा है, और जो दोषी है उसको सजा भी मिलना चाहिए.
And this action on late Tuesday evening of Mamata Banerjee's police arresting BJP leader and his two sons in connection with a drug case confirms that this battle is all but over.
मेरा भी दोनों भाई को उठा के लेके गया आप लोग सबके सामने. पिछले 3 घंटे से आप लोग से गया है. मेरे घर में 10 पुलिस लोग जमा, 10 लोग सर्च. फिर वो लोग एक अलमारी, एक ड्रॉर सर्च किया.
हंसते हंसते
पिछले 3 घंटे से ऊपर कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो रहा था.
Has the fight for Bengal become a more personal than a political one? Let's debate.
Sharma of the BJP and Om Prakash Mishra of the Trinamool Congress, Anand Ranganathan, Shishir Bajoria, Kabir Shankar Bose, lawyer, Binay Singh, Sanjay Sarkar, Shubham Ganguly, Chetan Singh, Tanvi Das, all welcome. Now, what is going on? Om Prakash Mishra, tit for tat, just because the CBI questioned Abhishek Banerjee's wife, right? You are arresting a BJP leader in a drugs case. So what is this? Tit for tat? You question us in the coal scam, we'll catch you in some other case. What's going on here? Why can't you allow the coal scam investigation to carry on if you have nothing to hide? Why are you doing a tit for tat?
Well,
Why are you doing a tit
I
for
heard
tat?
about another tit for tat. It is about Mr. Amit Shah being summoned by a court over the defamation case that has been filed by Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. And so far as Mr. Rakesh Singh is concerned, you should know very well, your channel has extensively reported that a BJP youth leader who has been charged in the cocaine case the day before yesterday, she has named Rakesh Singh, and therefore the investigation is going on. With regard to the CBI coming over to Abhishek Banerjee's house,
counter to you is 1 minute. Counter to you is, please let me counter you. And my counter to you is that it doesn't make sense. No, 1 second. Om Prakash Mishra, you know, you are an experienced man. Which court in the country believes the version of an accused that an accused is naming another accused. So you are suddenly saying that you believe what this
Yeah,
lady
I
called
know,
Pamela
I remember
Goswami
the
has
P.
said,
Chidambaram case.
and she has
I
named another
remember Mr.
BJP
P.
leader.
Chidambaram
So the BJP leader who is an accused is the last word in the case. I mean, that out of your what logic is that? What logic? Which court of law will listen to this?
By the way, you
Pamela Goswami
you
has said
remember-
that Rakesh Singh
you remember
is to
Sinapura
blame.
murder case?
So Om Prakash
Sinapura
Mishra says
murder
that
case
Rakesh Singh
and
is to
P.
blame.
P.
So
Chidambaram-
whatever any BJP leader says suits you.
I told you something, Arnav. Perhaps you have missed out. You extensively discussed the Sina Bora murder case, and the accused in that case named Mr. P. Chidambaram. Right? You ran so many stories. You remember. You should remember surely.
Okay. No, 1 second. 1 second. Om Prakash Mishra, I'm going to give it back to you. I didn't extensively discuss. You would be happy to know that I was the editor of the channel that broke the whole Sheena Bora murder case. 1. B, our interview was with Peter Mukherjee, if you remember. It was Peter Mukherjee who revealed everything, so I remember what I did in that case.
No,
in
I'm
fact, the
talking of the
investigation was so great
I'm talking
that
of
it
the-
was quoted as
I'm
almost
talking of
evidence
the
in court. But
prosecution.
that doesn't take.
I'm talking of
But
the
you admit.
prosecution
No, but you
relying on an
admitted it
accused.
for that. No, but you
I'm
admitted it
talking
for
of
that.
an,
No, but
of
you
the
admitted
accused.
it for that. You admitted it for that. You had just admitted a tit for
no.
tat. You admitted it. Did you not admit a tit for tat? Did you not say there's a tit for tat? Did you not say there's a tit for tat? You are doing a tit for tat.
Not a tit for tat.
You are saying they are doing a tit for tat, but you are doing the tit for tat before they did a tit for tat. So there are different tit for tats in the case, but you did you accepted your tit for tat. You justified your tit for tat by talking about their tit for tat. No, sorry. No, sorry. You are saying their tit for tat came before your tit for tat. I'm sorry, but you do not deny a tit for tat.
Can I answer, please, Arnab?
No.
Arnab, can I please come
Why should I deny anything that is correct? I am
Arnab,
always
you're
on the
stuck.
right
to answer
side.
this.
Arnab, you should also be on the right side.
There you are not
Being on
denying
the
it.
right
That's the
side
point.
is good, you know. Being on the right side is good.
You're not
I am
on the right
always
side.
on the
Arnab,
right
may I please
side.
come in?
That's why you people call me a right winger, because I'm on the right side.
No, I mean Mr. Mishra
Carry
is
on.
not
Nupur is
right
on the
side.
debate. It's a okay. Nupur.
I'm invariably one.
Arnab, you know, it's interesting. Arnab, it's interesting that the Kolkata police will not have time or make the effort to find the third missing person out of Pamela Goswami and some other colleague of hers which were arrested during this whatever raid, if at all, if it was not a plant. They also have been repeatedly going on record to say there was a third person, unnamed person with us in the car. Why doesn't the Calcutta police arrest him first? There is no news of him, which is very interesting. And secondly, how about West Bengal police and Calcutta police individually also make an effort to locate Vinay Mishra? You know who he is? Vinay Mishra is currently on a non-bailable warrant and has a lookout notice issued against him by the CBI because in the 45 raids last year,
Oh,
and
she gives it back
13
now. She
thereafter,
brings in the
only
coal
few
scam.
days ago,
Yes, she's brought in the
after
coal scam
CBI
right now.
After the
Yes,
CBI,
she's brought in the coal scam.
After the CBI registered, after the CBI, listen to me, after the CBI registered the case on 27 November 2020, there is a non-bailable warrant. There is a CBI is incompetent. Your police detained a central functionary, a central investigative agency. And I'm sorry to use
Battle
the word.
on! Battle on!
Like,
TMC
as if the
respond.
Chief Minister
Is
of
the
state
CBI
has
incompetent?
nothing better
Nupur's
to do.
asking.
But be the first to protest and defend
You find out
corruption.
the
She
Vinay
sat
Mishra you
in
were talking
protest
about.
against the
You
CBI
find out, let the
investigation.
central government find him out.
Acha, why
CBI
don't you
should find
help?
out.
That's how it
Kolkata police
works.
should cooperate.
That's how
There is no
CRPC
problem.
works. You don't know what the law is.
Of course,
You
we
don't
will
know
help.
what the law is.
Let the
Mr. Mishra,
let the
you are not a
CBI
professor
and
of law.
Kolkata police work
You-
together
Acha, then
on
go
Vinay
locate
Mishra.
him.
No problem.
Then locate him. Why have you not found Vinay Mishra,
No,
who has a
so you-
lookout notice
so
before you
basically,
arrested Rakesh Singh?
once you admit
Why have
that
you
the
not-
central
No,
government is
Now you
incompetent,
answer.
you central
He has
government
a
is
non-bailable
incompetent.
warrant. He has a
That is what
non-bailable
it
warrant.
is
I
proved.
haven't said
If the
that.
CBI has come
You
out with
think
something,
you are over
then,
above the central
look him
government.
out. Look
You
him out.
think
Your Rakesh Singh said that he is going to Delhi. He was found in Golshi, that is in Burdwan. That is just only 125 kilometers. He could not go to Delhi. You possibly wanted to give him shelter. That did not happen. What can we do about it? What can we do about it? Your leaders, they are accusing each other. Your Pamela is accusing Rakesh. Rakesh is using Pamela. And Mr. Amit Shah is being photographed. So all these things are also going to come out. Earlier BJP leaders, they have been caught red-handed with the child lifting case. And now there is a the cocaine case. It's very serious. By the way, this is very serious. You are trying to, you are trying to lighten up something that is very serious. So take note. You should take note and you should be careful. You should be careful about the type of people who are there in your party.
Using shell companies to convert hawala money laundered out of coal, Taskari into white money. Serious.
Om Prakash Mishra not giving up, fighting back right now tonight. A heated BJP Trinamool debate on.
Sanctioned by RSS ideology. That is my
Sarda,
question.
Narda, Rose Valley, 130 BJP workers
Om Prakash.
being killed by
Let
TSC
the
Gundas
CBI not
is
be
very
very
serious.
incompetent.
Being pulled up by
Let
the
them
High
come
Court
up.
of
Let them try
Calcutta.
to
Om Prakash, Om Prakash.
Let them try to have a closure of the cases that they are investigating. So therefore, you are admitting that the CBI is incompetent. Here the BJP spokesperson says that the CBI is incompetent, the central government is ineffective, they cannot function very well. So what can we do about it? Central government is in the wrong hands. Mr. Modi is not a good leader. Mr. Amit Shah is not a good leader. And they are linked with communal tension in the country. They are very much linked up with the communal tension in the country. So therefore, we cannot help it.
Om Prakash,
So therefore,
Mishra is on the debate right now.
you should mind your business. Mind your business about running the central government. Here in West Bengal, we don't allow RSS people. Here we do not allow the RSS to spread their venomous ideology. Communalism is not communism will not be tolerated in Bengal. Bengal has always rejected communalism. Bengal will always reject RSS. So Golwalkar may be your ideologue. Golwalkar might be praised by Mr. Modi, but Golwalkar books are not sold here. And so therefore you can take your case. You can take your case to Punjab, where you have been beaten up electorally very badly. So therefore, do not try to bring in Bengal politics.
All right, I think the viewers would want Arnav to also come in.
Anti-communal. Bengal politics is very, very anti-RSS. Bengal politics is not going to brook, not going to condone the establishment of the century in the note of Nautbandi.
Massive debate. It's a massive battle. I need to come in.
So therefore,
A massive battle has broken out, viewers. I need to come in. My God, they start again. Another go. I'll come back in a while. They're not giving up. They're not yielding. They're not yielding. Back to the two of them.
There could be inquiry
This is
related
the longest
to
one versus one I've seen in a long time.
Jatin Oza talked about it. Jatin Oza, Modi Sahab was a disciple of Jatin Oza once. Jatin Oza has detailed out that how you have manipulated the Notbandi, how the black money of this country was converted into the white money. Who is the profiteer? Who are the people who have taken cut money in the various deals that is going on? Who are the people who are siphoning the money? Government of India money, people's money. Who are the ones who are making a big profit out of inflation? Who are the people who are responsible
Nupur Sharma not relenting. Come on now, Nupur. Let me come into the debate.
Who are responsible for the downfall of the GDP gross domestic product? So you should be able to answer that. BJP should be accountable. BJP should be responsible. BJP should be responsive. If you cannot come to answer that, the Bengal politics is not going to be your level playing field. Here your ideology is not going to get the enough fodder that you perhaps might be getting elsewhere. Here Here people hate RSS. Here people hate communalism. Here people are not interested in Golwalkar. Here people are not interested in Nathuram Godse.
Unstoppable viewers today
Yes,
between
you
the two
have been
spokespersons,
completely
I must say.
ignored.
Nupur.
You are trying to
Both putting up a good fight.
Bengal. We are not going to
I think in a long time we haven't seen a battle like the one in
We are
Bengal.
very clear and very strict over our
Okay, here's a question from me. Thank you very much. Both of you have to pull back now. Come on now. You've both been having a go at each other for almost 10 minutes. 1 minute, Nupur. Please take a little break. I mean, where have you learned these debating skills from? I'm sure. 1 minute, Om Prakash Mishra. Okay, Om Prakash Mishra. I'll tell you one thing. Once I went to see a music concert and my favorite Shankar Mahadevan was on stage and it was a beautiful moment, and almost on popular demand we made him sing Breathless. You know the song, you know Anand, that song where he doesn't stop, he goes on and on and on and on and on and on. It seems he's not even taking a breath. I'm telling you viewers, today Nupur and Om Prakash have both broken Shankar Mahadevan's record. Well done gentlemen. What you just saw, viewers, was the longest 1 versus 1 debate. If there are debates like this, Anand, people like me are not required. I can quietly retire. I'll start the debate. These two can have a go at each other. Okay, another record tonight. I made the Trinamool and the BJP smile at each other for a moment. Fantastic. Question is, now let me ask something which is going to take the smile off Om Prakash Mishra's face. No, I want to come in, please. Shubham, listen. If I mention the word coal scam, your blood pressure will go up. The nation wants to know, is there a coal scam or not? And what about the Tell Anand Ranganathan or Shishir Bajoria, anyone, can you deny the existence of a coal scam involving illegal mining and smuggling of coal worth hundreds and thousands of crores of rupees across Bengal?
Listen, Arnab, now I want
Bengal
to respond
has
to
been
this.
looted. I want to know whether you will deny the loot. Has there been a loot in Bengal? Yes or no? Can you just give me a one-word answer to start with? Yes.
Thing that BJP
Option
leaders
B,
were
no.
saying in the morning that the CBI investigation on Rujira Banerjee is legitimate, and now crying political vindictiveness when Rakesh Singh has been arrested. I want to tell the BJP people sitting on this panel that Rakesh Singh has been arrested.
What is the connection between the two? You're drawing a connection, Anand.
Rujira Banerjee.
No, you're drawing a connection.
Rujira Banerjee has faced.
You are drawing a
the
connection.
CBI, the BJP.
You're not answering my question.
Like a tigress.
Is there a coal
CBI
scam?
Was once termed as a case parrot.
Is there a coal scam
You're
too?
a senior journalist. You know well than me.
Is there a coal scam?
The CBI was once termed as a case.
Is there a coal scam?
Now the CBI has turned into a.
Is there a coal scam?
Why
won't you answer? Why won't he answer? Tanvi, tell me why is there a coal scam? Tanvi, tell me. Is there a coal scam?
Sudipto Sen had wrote a letter.
The fact of the matter
is there a coal scam?
Indeed be a coal
BJP leader
But the matter, Trinamool is falling into...
Anand is on the debate. Anand responding. Is there a coal scam? Why can't anyone answer a simple question such as that?
Biman Bosu has taken money from him.
Yes.
Why didn't the CBI investigate?
If you are showing the coal scam, if you are showing that
Is there a coal scam? Shishir Bajoria, Anand on one side.
CBI and the CBI...
Now, the fact of the matter
Is there a coal scam, Tanvi? Come on.
I promise.
Just say
You know,
yes.
I'm
there
just
is.
stating the
What's your
facts.
problem?
Yes, the fact of the matter
If you are showing the
that
CBI,
there may
then
indeed
you
be a
should
coal
show
scam.
the Rakesh Singh
But the
situation
reality
also.
is...
That is
Now,
an
madam,
Anand,
can I please have my say? I don't eat what
you
Professor
should
Mishra
be-
eats for breakfast.
you
I
don't
cannot
be
continue
like
for
a
10 whole
partial-
minutes.
partial,
Professor Mishra,
reporter.
Professor Mishra, I don't know what he has for breakfast. But he doesn't tell me what he has for breakfast, so I don't have that energy as Professor Mishra does. Or maybe Nupur. So please, you have to give me a minute. Uninterrupted minute. And I promise you I'll be dealing only with facts. Thank you very much.
No.
Madam, please. Yes, so Arnab, as I was saying, that there may indeed be a coal scam because actually the complaint is through Vigilance Committee and through a task force that has been formed by Eastern Coal Limited. It has got nothing to do with TMC as yet. So there is in fact some ECL managers, security people, they are all in the net. Now, through their interrogation, the name of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee's wife came up and she was summoned for interrogation. So I don't know why TMC is falling into the trap saying that, there is some insinuation of our involvement. As a law-abiding citizen, for example, me or Professor Mishra, assuming he's also a law-abiding citizen as I am, are summoned by the police, are summoned by the police to help in some investigation. Why would we say no? Why? We would like to help. We would like to help the unearthing of a coal scam. So I don't know why a mounting out of a molehill is being made out of it. Now, the other important issue, Arnab, that you raised, and in fact, none of the panelists have, please give me 30 seconds. You see, you used a phrase called tit for tat. Now, the amazing thing is, Arnab, sadly, you and all Indians, you are not being cynical. That is the reality. Now, in Bengal, all the Bengalis would know a wonderful film by Satyajit Ray called Chiriya Khana or Menagerie. All these politicians, they are lovely pet owners. They have Chiriya Khana and they have these chiriyas, caged parrots. Mamta Didi has a caged parrot. The center has a caged parrot. They are, making the two parrots fight for them. That is the whole point. So when you say tit for tat, the tragedy is that our police investigative agencies are not apolitical. They are slaves to the masters who dictate. So what you say tit for tat is absolutely right. You cannot trust if any step by any police force or investigative agency has been taken impartially. Now, of course, in the last 6-7 years, BJP has been equally guilty as Congress was when it was reigning, the 10 years during UPA, of using CBI and ED for raiding selective people. Of course it was. And the moment you join BJP, all the raids, everything suddenly ends. So I think the only way for Miss Banerjee to escape any further scrutiny in the coal scam is to
I think we must bring everything down to
Miss Banerjee as Mamata
No,
Banerjee.
I think we must bring everything down to is there a coal scam? And I want anyone to tell me tonight there is no coal scam, and I'd like to ask Shishir Bajoria. I'd like to ask Kabir Shankar Bose. Is there a coal scam?
Very clearly.
If there is no coal scam, say there is no coal scam.
4 years ago.
The problem is, okay, Shishir Bajoria has come in. Okay, Shishir Bajoria and Sanjay Sarkar on the debate. Yeah, please. Yeah, go on. Is there a coal scam?
Mamata Banerjee, on her 21st of July, the big function that he has every year, she herself in her speech said, if you do illegal coal mining,
Mr.
do not
Bajoria,
join my party.
my question, this is the government program.
If you do
remember it, this is the government program. This is not, this was not the Ram Shilanas program. Otherwise, this is not the BJP campaign program. Do remember it, Shishir Bajoria.
Both sides.
Remember it, 23rd January is the best man.
I can't hear Sanjay Sarkar. Shishir, Sanjay Sarkar is asking a counter to you. Shishir, Sanjay is asking a counter to you.
Yeah.
I am allowing it. Go on, Sanjay, go on. What's your counter?
Because why before election, so why CBI ED before election? It is the political competency by Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji. Okay, Supreme Court has said that CBI is a parrot of the honor. This is the parrot of the honor. One upon time Narendra Modi told us this is the CBI, the Congress Bureau of the Investigation. One upon time, this is the Narendra Modi, one of the chief minister of the Gujarat. This is the believable, and this is parrot of the. Who's the parrot? Who's the parrot of the Narendra Modi? CBI is the parrot of the Narendra Modi.
Can I answer?
This is
Kabir Shankar Bose on the left. Kabir.
Can I answer? Has he finished his question? How many times will
Kabir will respond to you. I'll come back to you, Shishir. Kabir responding to you. I'll come back to you.
Arnab, an investigation starts when there's a prima facie case made out. So on today's date, the very fact that there's an investigation going on, witnesses are being spoken to, that means there does exist a prima facie coal scam. The result of that investigation will only come out in the future. The law has to take its own course. But coming to your question, whether there's a coal scam or not, on today's date, a prima facie coal scam is definitely made out, and that is why an agency, the nation's premier agency, is investigating that scam. They have proceeded on that scam. They have interrogated witnesses. They have made arrests. There is definitely a coal scam.
What about the timing? What about the timing, Kabir? The timing within 4 days of a summons to the BJP top leaders. What about the timing? What about the timing? The CBI questions within 4 days of summons to top BJP leaders.
Spreading the propaganda.
In a case filed by Abhishek Banerjee.
Using the CBI, the institution like CBI.
No. The case filed by Abhishek Banerjee, let me explain. The case filed by Abhishek Banerjee is at least 3 to 4 years old.
You have told that 4 years ago.
The case filed by Abhishek Banerjee is at least 3 to 4 years old. It has no connection with the way the coal scam has taken place. In law, the police machinery will only come into action when certain evidences come. The evidences have come before them, and that is why they have sprung into action. The case filed by Abhishek Banerjee is a very old
I go back to.
It was shuttling between.
I go back to. One second. You said the case. You said the case filed by Abhishek Banerjee is 4 years old.
The case of Rakesh Singh has been arrested.
It is.
What am I not showing?
I want that you should show that Rakesh Singh
shouting like that, I will be able to speak to you. Abhishek, Tanvi, if you, Tanvi, I 1 minute here, 1 minute. Listen, Tanvi, now you need to listen to me. First of all, I am happy to inform you that the arrest of Rakesh Singh, the news was broken first on Republic Media Network. I have shown it. It is a headline. It has been referred to. The pictures have been shown.
But how?
So once again, you are making false comments. I would request you, Tanvi, don't. But how means what?
Listen.
If you have not seen Jupiter through a telescope, doesn't mean Jupiter does not exist.
That is a point of view. You are showing that is a political propaganda. And when you are showing the CBI...
What do you mean how? I have said that he's been arrested.
Why this kind of discrimination you are
I don't understand. How is my reporting that Rakesh Singh has been arrested political propaganda?
Between the cases.
You can't make a flimsy argument like this.
Why?
Now my... Kabir, 1 minute. I go back out here. See, listen. Nupur... What do you mean, why? What do you mean, why? You are the one drawing a link here. Can I bring back into the debate Shishir Bajoria and... Just wait a minute. Shishir Bajoria, and I want to get him with Om Prakash Mishra. Listen, Shishir. Be a little straightforward about it. You can say that we have unleashed the CBI and we have timed it to the Bengal elections. Technically, we are right. But who in the world will believe you if you actually say that the CBI's sudden action in a coal scam has nothing to do with the Bengal elections? I'm not questioning the investigation. I'm not questioning the material facts of the case. But you have to admit you've timed it to the Bengal elections. I mean, no.
I'm repeating what Mamata Banerjee herself said.
No, but if you say it's not linked, then you're being facetious.
What Mamata Banerjee herself said. She said 4 years back, if you are in coal scam, if you are in coal mining, do not be in Trinamool. What was that? Can there be a bigger admission of guilt? Number one. Number two, your TV, you showed moments back on your screen, Mamata Banerjee entering the house of her nephew. Okay, between aunt and nephew, she can go when she wants. But to enter minutes before CBI arriving, and then leaving, I do not know what was her motive. Was it to influence people, to scare people? But she's the chief minister of the state. She's just not an aunt of a nephew. And
maybe it's a show of support.
I do not know. These questions come up.
No, what do you mean? What did she leave with? Arnab, you mean Mamata Banerjee went into the house, took critical evidence away and then left?
I don't
say
know.
it straight. No, why do you speculate?
Which bound to ask.
Don't say you don't know.
Which are bound to be speculated on. These are questions which are bound to come up. She has to. She's the chief minister. She doesn't only have to be fair, but
Arnab, let me respond.
She has to appear to be fair.
May I come in now? Arnab, this is most interesting that the BJP workers are protesting vociferously in Durgapur Asansol belt because one of the main scam accused in coal scam, that is Raju Jha, he has now been admitted into BJP. Secondly, I would like to tell you that the BJP has been talking in terms of the bank account, bringing in Rujira Bandyopadhyay and so on. Publicly they have been saying, and in fact they have gone on to record saying that it is they who have lodged a complaint to the CBI against Rujira Banerjee and some so-called bank account, etc., etc. So BJP is an interested party. BJP is a political party, but then they are trying to not only direct the investigation, they are the one who have instigated the investigation. They have actually admitted this. And by the way, your channel has also shown time and again, Subhendu Adhikari has been quoted in public meetings saying that Abhishek Banerjee is involved in such and such a scam. So that only goes on to prove that all this so-called CBI investigation, it is an afterthought. It is the BJP that has leveled these allegations.
Om Prakash Mishra, my counter to you is, my counter to you is 1 minute. 1 minute, my counter to you is 1 minute. 1 minute, my counter to you is that this investigation, right? Now this investigation is an FIR based on a joint inspection by the Vigilance Department and an Eastern Colliery Limited task force that identified evidence of illegal mining. So it is not Amit Shah who's done it. Please take your words back. Please correct yourself. There's no problem. You can say Arnab corrected me. I checked my words.
No. He has said he has referred to coal scam and he has tried to link it with the TMC leader. So therefore, as a BJP leader, he actually has been signaling to himself as the Home Minister. And so therefore, there is a clear
You have to give me uninterrupted time. If I have listened to him patiently, he will not heckle me. Otherwise, I'll not speak.
No,
and I have facts in front of me which will expose him.
Subhendu Adhikari has been referring to
this. Then please allow me.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I mean, if there are charges of impropriety against you, doesn't mean that the opposition parties will not take it up. Of course, we will take it up. तुम चोरी करते जाओ और हम उसका हल्ला भी ना मचाएं. मतलब वाह, एक चोरी ऊपर से सीना चोरी. And secondly, most importantly,
हम लोग इसीलिए सारे देश में मचा रहे हैं मोदी जी के खिलाफ.
Investigation, the FIR is also. Mr. Mishra.
Tanvi countering.
You said you will give me time to complete. This is not fair. Now allow me. Allow me to complete my point. Leaps and Bounds are companies owned by Abhishek Banerjee and family, immediate family. How come within 2 years a new company made itself worthy of 300 crores? It's only when the left parties made a lot of noise did Mr. Abhishek Banerjee resign after 2 years as from the director's post of Leaps and Bounds. You run 3 companies in which Rujira Narula Banerjee is also a partner. Interestingly, you also issued a direction from the TMC government to undermine the functioning of customs and excise in 2019. Do not ever check anybody who's a VVIP from TMC. That is absolutely ultra-virus to constitution. How come an Indian girl, a Delhi girl at that from West Delhi, Punjabi Bagh to be precise, become a Thai national? Her father's name is different on her wedding invitation card, different on her passport, and there is a blot of gold smuggling allegedly. Now all of a sudden her name crops up. By the way, the investigation into the coal scam did not start yesterday. It started 6-7 months ago, and Vinay Mishra, who happened to be the Secretary General, the General Secretary of the Youth Wing, of which Abhishek Banerjee is a president, why is he absconding? He's got a lookout notice by the CBI, and he's gone NBWs also against him. So please answer. You've got very serious allegations because you're hiding people. And I'm sorry, what kind of optics does it make when Didi? What kind of optics does it make when Didi has gone there to tutor? Did she go there to tutor her nephew and nephew's wife? What not to say and what to say? Did she go there to tutor because she's the one who issued the notification? We will not allow customs to check VVIPs as if it's a state function. Sorry to say,
you had your time,
you are
now
the people who say, Modi ji ko thappad marungi, main Pradhan Mantri ko nahi manti. You are not a sovereign country. The federal structure knows and believes the Prime Minister.
Tanvi is on the debate. Tanvi is countering Nupur now.
Don't believe yourself to be a separate state.
If I am going to get...
What is that? Om Prakash has already said that Raju Jha is in your BJP party and you were shouting that scams and scam and scam. You love scam.
2 versus 2.
BJP loves scam. BJP loves scam leaders. They are bringing scam leaders. They're gathering scam leaders. That is not. That is acting like a chutney.
So you are agreeing that all your TMC people are involved in scams? You are accepting.
Taking away the scam
Are you
leaders
accepting
from
right now?
Bengal.
Are you accepting
You are
right
taking
now?
away the
All
scam
these
leaders
TMC
from our
people.
Bengal.
Om Prakash Mishra making a comeback to the debate.
You are accepting the TMC.
You will be able to answer some of your questions
Are you accepting
about how property values rises.
BJP.
Of course you are accepting. While Mr. Mukul Roy is actually facing interrogation.
Sarkar is on the debate. Sanjay Sarkar is on the debate right now. Anand comes in.
Stop talking in English.
Vinay Singh comes in. Vinay Singh and Sarkar are on the debate, viewers.
TMC chose A. You accepted it.
हिंदी
You have accepted on national television.
हिंदी चलবে না উনি হিন্দি বলে আমি বাংলা শুরু করে দেব
You have just accepted on national television.
হিন্দি চলবে না don't impose hindi on us.
Who is the governor, sir? Few days back,
Sarkar is on the debate. Sarkar and Vinay.
he was the
Gang leaders of BJP. Every gang leader is going to BJP. Every gang leader is going to BJP. Very good, impressive. Very good, impressive. BJP.
Okay, just explain one thing to me, Vinay. Vinay, listen, Vinay. Vinay and Sarkar. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Vinay, listen. Vinay and Sarkar. Yeah, Vinay and Chetan Singh is wanting to come into the debate. Chetan.
Something which is not good for our democratic setup. Why are we
Mr.
using
Sarkar.
agencies?
Yeah, Chetan,
for
I
our
must
own
speak
for our
first.
benefit,
May I
for
speak
our
first?
Political advantages. We know the poll-bound state where the agencies are getting used. Vinay bhai, I am surprised today.
Tell me. Few days back.
Chetan bhai.
Ansari has a joined in BJP party.
Yeah.
Who is the joining? Dilip Ghosh. Mr. W. Ansari. He is the past record and now record. He is the involved with the fake currency. He is the involved with the terrorist activities. Anti-national. Anti-national.
Bengal has witnessed in the last
44
years
so many he is the
for 34 years was the CPM, the party who don't believe in this country. And the last
Vinay, please, thank you.
who don't believe in this democracy. That is TMC. TMC don't believe in this democracy. They don't believe in the democratic institutions. And you are asking her now that there was a coal scam or not. Definitely there was a coal scam. And everybody was known to that.
This is not the This is not the
Abhishek Banerjee, Ruzira Banerjee, they were mastering, they were the kingpins, and they were the, sitting at the top of that coal scam. And what CBI is doing, and why Mamata Banerjee just went today to meet his cousin, this is a known factor now. And the people of West Bengal, they are preparing a balance sheet.
Yeah.
A balance sheet not just for last 10 years.
Answer me this one thing, that
for the last 44 years.
The
a balance sheet for the last 44 years of the criminal misrule. And one more point, Arnav. They are talking about Babala Goswami's arrest now. Let me make it clear. NDPS and Arms Act are one of the most favorite tactics of the TMC
Why didn't the
to
CBI
counter the
investigate? I want to ask you
opponents.
this one thing.
There are
Is
more
there a
than
cocaine
1,000
racket in the
cases of
BJP or not?
NDPS.
Is there a
There
child
are more
smuggling
than
racket in the
1,000
BJP
cases
or
of
not?
NDPS registered against the political
Why didn't the
opponents.
CBI interrogate
And the
Shubhendu
same
Adhikari when
pattern was
Sudeep
followed
Hussain
in the
accused him
TMC
of
rule,
embezzling
and the
6
same was
crores
even
of
followed in the 34 years
And
of the criminal misrule of the left party.
Okay, one second. I can't hear you over each other, and therefore I would like for a moment. Shubham, 1 minute. Shubham, relax for a minute. 1 minute. Shubham, let me handle this. Shishir Bajoria come into the debate, and Shishir Bajoria will now debate. With Om Prakash Mishra. Shishir, listen. Very nice. You have suddenly discovered the coal scam. Very nice. There is nothing wrong about it. It's a good discovery. But why now? Secondly, whether it is Damachri or Bhaipo, these issues are issues for the BJP only before the elections. You see, just before the Rajasthan elections in 2018, there was an investigation into Robert Vadra's alleged deals, the Bikaner land deals. What has happened to the Robert Vadra case now?
See, first of all,
before the 2019 election, Shishir, the CBI booked, the CBI booked Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda for alleged cheating and corruption in land acquisition from farmers in Gurugram. Every time before an election, not just there, several places, the BJP takes action, and Damachri was made an issue by the BJP in 2014. Where is Damachri now? What action have you taken against Damachri? Shishir, the question is to you. Don't avoid the question.
For CBI.
For you, Damachri is an issue. It was an issue in 2014. Hypo is an issue now. No, your problem is that you pick up an issue to target your political rivals before an election, and then you put it in a little bit of cold storage. You don't close the case.
This issue of cold.
You don't close the case. You put it in cold storage. So do you use these cases as political leverage?
No. Look, it's been going on for months.
I can't hear you.
That also they did when they visited. They sought an appointment. How often does an investigative agency seek an appointment? Investigating agency summons the accused or the so-called accused. But here they sought an appointment.
No. If I ask you today, and here's the very straight question. You picked up. No. 1 second, and I'll ask you one thing. See, I need to be sure. 1 second, Om Prakash. 1 second. See, it is not the content of your investigation. It is the intent of your investigation. And therefore, I want to ask you, Nupur, that it is not just about the coal scam. It is about the fact that you pick up issues. Now, Nupur, ahead of the Bihar elections, the BJP showed, and Anand will remember, considerable sincerity in expressing concern about where the Sushant Singh Rajput case was going before the Bihar elections. It was very active. And everybody thought, Anand, that once the CBI takes over the Sushant case, and it will move fast, and BJP leaders would come on my programs and say, don't worry, we will correct things. Now, I want to know not just what happened to Robert Vadra, I want to know what happened to the Sushant case.
Now here we have seen what exactly
I hope that you are not promising to look after investigations or raising investigations.
No, that is very important.
Timed with political events. Anand understands what I am talking about.
We should understand.
No, I've raised a serious issue today.
If I can add one. Nupur, can I add one?
I'm getting feedback on it.
Yes, absolutely.
Anand is adding more.
To that. Can I add one
Nupur, I'll give you time. Let Anand come in.
Yes, Nupur, with your permission. Yes, Nupur, with your permission, can I please add one sentence to what Arnab said? Because he's asked actually the most important. Chetan, 1 second. Yeah. Yes, thanks, Nupur. Yeah, just adding to what Arnab said. You see, Mr. Mukul Roy joined the BJP 4 years ago. If he was still with the TMC, wouldn't the CBI have moved faster? Where is the CBI or ED on Mr. Mukul Roy's investigation into Sharada and Narda scam? It's been 4 years since he joined the BJP.
And BJP was the one who has come up with the slogan.
May I answer this now?
Who have come up with the slogan, Bhag Mukul Bhag. This is the slogan which the BJP leaders over there in the state, they were chanting it. So therefore, it is a matter of a serious concern. It's a matter of serious concern that all his allegations have been used and have been brought to the washing machine. This is a matter of a serious concern.
Anand, this is not fair. You have to allow me to.
Yes, I do.
Chetan is the last person to be speaking about CBI.
I am of a view, Chetan, now.
Please allow. Chetan, my question was to Nupur.
No, you have to allow me to answer.
Chetan, please allow Nupur to answer. It's an important question.
Please allow me to answer.
Chetan, let her reply to Anand's question also. This is getting very interesting.
Please.
Please,
All right,
please
go ahead.
allow me to complete.
I will bring you
Sir,
in,
this
Om
is-
Prakash,
this is
just 1
interesting.
minute.
Chetan is the last person.
I thought
who
you'll
should be
enjoy the
actually
grilling of the
pontificating.
BJP. What's your problem?
Chetan is the last person. Chetan should be the last person pontificating about CBI because I want to correct the prof. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, it was Supreme Court under the, it was Supreme Court when UPA was in power, when CBI was called a cage parrot, not under the NDA or the BJP government. Please remember that. And it was for a solid reason.
Yes.
Now, as far as your question
Yes,
to
of
Mr.
course.
Mukul Roy, allow me to answer. Now, as far as your question to Mr. Mukul Roy,
Would like to name
he
the
was
washing machine,
interrogated by the CBI in August 2020. He was interrogated by the CBI in September 2020. He was summoned and interrogated and investigated by the ED in November 2020. And as far as Mr. Robert Vadra's, the damad of this country goes, if you don't know,
The
he
debate
was
is not on
interrogated
them.
by the IT.
The debate is not on them, so therefore
he
there is no
spent
point
hours,
peddling only
he
one
spent
narrative.
hours answering
If Robert
questions.
Vadra is
As
coming
far as
in
the
your dream or the
Bikaner,
leaders of
अरे
the
चुप
BJP
करो,
dream,
इसको
then
कुछ
he
नहीं पता.
cannot help.
Cage parrot. ये cage
Then
psycho
there is
fan को
no
कुछ नहीं
point.
पता. Allow me to
No
answer.
point.
As
We
far
know
as the
that
Dhingra
every
Commission of
time
Inquiry is
they all see
concerned,
Rahul
which
Gandhi
was
in their
looking
dream,
into
this is
Bhupinder
also
Singh
a-
Huda's
this is a
case.
serious matter of
I
concern.
don't know if you
They see
don't want
Robert
facts.
Vadra, they see
You know,
Priyanka
Chetan
Gandhi.
is only
And
making
now
the case
also
easier for
what
me.
we have seen is
Chetan is
something-
only
is
helping me
something
by
which is
being
deplorable
absolutely
beyond repair.
nonsensical.
Because the way-
Anand, do you
because
want
the
my
way
answer or not?
Coal-bound state has
Chetan, now you got to stop now, yaar. Chetan, this is wrong, yaar.
Allow me
Chetan, what do you think you are?
I do, and
What do you think
want
you
to
are?
respond.
Which is
Chetan, please.
extremely sad.
What are you doing,
We
Chetan?
should
Chetan,
have-
please
we
don't
have
do
never
this.
ever seen this
Chetan,
kind of a
please don't do
political
this.
violence taking place, and we have seen previously
Chetan
also
is helping
how they have
me.
come from
Chetan, you are
320.
like, you know, you're
These
spoiling a
seats
good,
from 3 to 18,
अरे
the way
चेतन
you
को
have
अपना
got it.
5
Debate.
मिनट
Don't do
of
this.
fame
Yes.
चाहिए.
The way is
Chetan, which side are you on?
That
5 मिनट
statue
का
was
fame
also
चाहिए.
defaced.
चेतन को 5 मिनट का
Defaced.
fame
And whose
चाहिए.
rally was this? Nupur, can you answer it? Can you
क्या बोल
answer
रही
it?
है?
Whose rally was there outside that
क्या-
college
क्या
when the
बोला
stone
तुमने?
hurling
कुछ
was taking
किसी को
place?
समझ नहीं आया.
When stone hurling was
किसी
taking
को
place
समझ
at
नहीं
the
आया what
end,
you
the
said.
चेतन कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए?
किसी को समझ नहीं आया यहाँ पे.
Chetan, you have to stop your recorder.
पता नहीं
Wait.
क्या कर रही
नहीं
है.
आएगा.
I don't know what
चेतन
to
क्या
say.
कह रहे हो? एक मिनट
समझ
वेट
नहीं
करो
आएगा.
यार. Nupur was
I'm sure
answering.
you would not be able to understand because your objective is one. Your objective is one to win
Okay,
the
Chetan
state.
is
and
replaced
people of
right
Bengal
now,
and
and
Nobody is
Chetan
able
is
to understand,
replaced
including
by
the viewers.
Shubham. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Arnab,
Chetan.
you have to stop him.
to reach two
I don't know what has
Okay,
happened.
my-
Please
my-
allow me-
my
allow
point
me to
is-
complete. As far
I
as Bhupinder
wish I
Singh
could.
Huda's name is concerned,
I'm trying.
allow me to
I'm
complete.
trying.
The Dhingra, no. The Dhingra Commission of Inquiry. I'm not running. I'm ready to answer if Chetan would allow me.
Ma'am, would
If the
you
Dhingra
deny
Commission
the
of
fact
Inquiry is a
that
matter
the
I also
CBI has
worked on, and I
indeed
can
turned
share this much with
into
you.
a selectively guided
Can I
outcome
share
of
this
case,
much?
would you deny
Can I
it?
share this much
Would
with
you
you?
deny it? And I want to
That
ask you this one
that the
question.
matter
I
before
want to
the
ask you this
Chandigarh
one
High
question,
Court.
that it is an
क्या
interesting
क्या बोल
fact
रही है?
that
Who's
the
this guy with an
BJP
accent?
leadership in
No, I don't
Bengal
want to
didn't
entertain
come
your
to the
question.
rescue
Let me
of
answer
either
Anand's question
Pamela
first.
Goswami or Rakesh Singh. When Pamela Goswami took the name of Rakesh Singh in the court saying that he is involved in the cocaine
यार एक तरफ तुम कहते हो, एक तरफ तुम कहते हो, you are a washing machine. एक तरफ कहते हो, why you not protecting? What is your point? Your point is BJP may sins get cleansed off. We are a washing machine. Now you're saying why are you not supporting them? We believe the law should take its own course. You're helping my argument.
And every disruption.
For
Why didn't
accent
the
from
BJP
duty free.
leaders of Bengal
Mr. Duty Free
come
accent,
to
you're
the
helping
rescue
my
of either
argument.
Pamela Goswami
This is the
or
point
Rakesh Singh when
I'm
they
trying
made
to
their
make.
respective statements?
This is
When they made their respective
the
statements.
argument I'm trying to
And
make.
I would like to ask you
Let
this
people
one question,
accused
ma'am,
of
that
sins.
leave
Let people
Mukul Roy.
accused of crimes
Leave Mukul Roy.
face the
Your
law
new
as is.
apple of your eye
See,
is
Anand,
Shubhendu
even
Adhikari,
TMC
right?
supporters are
But
saying.
Shadow
See, Anand,
the
even
Shadow
TMC
scam
people are saying
which
BJP does not
which you
rescue its
highlight
people
every now
who
and
are
then.
accused of a crime.
That
That's what I've been saying
owner,
since the beginning.
Sudipto
The
Sen had
BJP
wrote
does
a
not
letter to
protect.
the
The
CBI
BJP does not
saying
brush under the
that
carpet any
Shubhendu
crime
Adhikari
or
had
any
taken 6
leader
crore
accused of a
rupees from
crime.
them.
The
Why
law will
hasn't
take
the
its
CBI
course.
investigated
Our
and
honorable Union Home Minister has gone on
interrogated
record
Shubhendu
to say
Adhikari till now?
that those
This
people,
very Rakesh
Okay,
that those
now
people
Om
accused
Prakash
of any
Mishra.
crime will have
Om
to face
Prakash
the law.
Mishra.
They will be
of the
interrogated, they will be
Om Prakash
investigated.
Mishra, thank you.
You
Om
just
Prakash
do
Mishra is
what
on the
you
debate.
do. Thank
Nupur,
you
now
for
1 minute.
arguing for me.
Om Prakash Mishra, here is how I look at it. Om Prakash Mishra. CBI goes to examine Abhishek Banerjee's wife Rujira in the coal scam case. And within a few hours of that, BJP leader Rakesh Singh and his 2 sons are arrested. This is not a coincidence. This is Om Prakash Mishra, not a coincidence. right? And what you're doing is wrong.
Well.
You can
May I
protest
respond?
against the CBI, but you go on counter arrests and all. See, if you wanted to arrest, if you
Rakesh
wanted
Singh
to
has moved
arrest
the
one,
court.
if you wanted to arrest Rakesh Singh, you would have arrested him earlier. You would have arrested him earlier. Why did you arrest him after the CBI went to Abhishek Banerjee's house to interrogate his wife?
This is
why the
Arnab,
sons did.
Arnab,
Why the
this
sons?
is very
We
unfair
have seen
to
the video.
compare
The video
two
has just
situations.
come. The
We are
sons are
talking about
literally
a coal
roughed up.
scam. CBI has issued a summon. CBI was given all cooperation, and CBI did go and CBI did ask whatever question they needed to ask. Now to equate it with an ongoing investigation in the aftermath
that's not as
of
simple
the
as that. Tell me one thing, you
arrest
like the
of
tit for tat culture.
kingpin,
My
and he
accusation
has
against
named
you
Rakesh
is
Singh,
that you like the
and
tit for
Rakesh
tat
Singh,
culture
so therefore,
because, for example, I'll give you another example. Is it not a tit? She named him 4 days back. She named him 4 days back. He was arrested today. Don't tell me you didn't know where he was for 4 days. Shishir Bajoria, she named him 4 days back.
Yesterday, he moved the court.
She named him 4 days back. Ask Shishir Bajoria.
The day of her arrest, she did not name.
He went to the court.
Their spokesman, Trinamool spokesman, comes on a TV channel and exposes a conversation between this lady, Pamela Goswami, and the Trinamool spokesperson. And the next day she is arrested. Then, when she's arrested, she does not take any name. She spends one night in the lockup.
Which Trinamool?
And she starts singing the names. And when she starts singing names, there's no attempt made by the police to stop her. The same police would shut up people's mouths. But they wanted these names to come out. And what do they do? Today they come and arrest Rakesh Singh. And the way they arrested the 2 kids. You should have seen the way they arrested the 2 kids. They were kids. Sir, have a look at their faces. Look, if they are in the wrong, they will have to defend themselves in the court of law. But see how the police did it. There was a clear vendetta.
Anyway, I can see that the BJP spokesperson, they are trying to defend a cocaine smuggling ring and ring leaders. And they themselves have exposed each other. And Pamela has, by the way, Nupur was talking about lips and bounds and so on. Let me tell her, has she ever been introduced to somebody called Joy Shah and about the astounding level of rise in his properties? So this is a question that she should introspect. He doesn't need to respond here.
Please tell me exactly what it is.
And this is
Otherwise, you're speaking without facts.
I have been asking you to give me the time. That if
Mr.
you,
Mishra. No, Mr. Mishra.
No, please.
Mr. Mishra himself belongs to a well-off family. You don't know his background.
Nupur,
No, please.
You had all the time and now again you are interrupting. And if you are going to interrupt, I don't think that...
No, the point
will you allow me
to
complete my sentences? If you don't, then you can also say goodbye. You can also say goodbye to what you wanted to say. Because in that case, if I am not allowed to complete what I have to say, then I do not think that I am going to be very charitable toward you either. I am telling you, how come there is such a central government, such an incompetent central government, they cannot complete the investigation? How come therefore there is almost nearly an incompetent government and
Okay, viewers, closing the debate right now. Closing the debate right now. Tomorrow is going to be even more interesting. Political situation in Bengal is warming up, very fast-paced developments. BJP leader Rakesh Singh arrested, BJP leader held in the drugs case, and it appears right now that after Damatri, the political buzzword in this political season is Bhaipo. Let's see where this goes. Let's see what response comes from Abhishek Banerjee. Viewers, bringing you up to date with everything in Bengal and days away from the launch of Republic Bangla. See you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.